Hey, welcome back to Just Being C'Aira. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today I was looking in my refrigerator needing to clean it out, and I noticed that I had some cauliflower that was getting ready to go bad, and I did not want it to go bad. So I decided to look up some recipes that I can use the cauliflower with. So I decided to go to Pinterest, of course, and then I typed in cauliflower air fryer recipes because I wanted to try something different. And when I typed it in, this ended up popping up on my search. So I said, let me try it, because it gives you the ingredients right there at the bottom. So for those of you who do not know, Pinterest is so helpful. But if you're a new subscriber here, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Those are for you who don't know about Pinterest. Pinterest will save you so much time, so much like thoughts and efforts being put into recipes and things like that. Reason why I say that is because you can find literally anything on Pinterest that you want to recreate. So I'm just gonna get ready to make the air fryer cauliflower. When I say that, I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description box, because you need to try it. You do. So all you're really gonna need is, of course, your cauliflower. You're gonna need olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil, it's up to you. You also need salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. That's all you need. And all I'm gonna say is, let's do it. All right, guys, so first things first, we need to add 2 tablespoons of oil into our bowl. I'm gonna use olive oil. All right, so I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I'm gonna add in 1/4 teaspoon of the black pepper. I'm also gonna add in 1/4 of the garlic powder. I'm gonna be adding in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I'm also going to add in some parsley. All right, next I'm going to add in all right, so let's just go ahead and mix this all up together. I use this cute little like silicone tool that I had got from Food Lion. It came on a pack of like 6 or 8 little tools you can use. So I kind of cut up my cauliflower the way that I wanted to cut it up, into like small pieces, but not pieces that are going to get burnt if I cut them too small. So I just transferred them into this bowl, and I took my little tool and just kind of mixed it up really good. I wanted to make sure that the seasoning for these air fryer cauliflower florets basically, got into the crevices, and that it got into the whole thing, so that it wasn't halfway seasoned. All right, so your cauliflower should come out to look like this after you have seasoned it, and then you're gonna put it into the air fryer on 370 if yours has 370, or you could do 375 for about 14 minutes. First, put it in your air fryer for 10 minutes and then basically pull it out, and then you will shake it so that you can kind of move them around, and then you'll put it back in for the other 4 to 5 minutes, and ta-da! We got some air fryer cauliflower. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and comment down below what other recipes you would like to see me try.